This Torah class is brought to you by TorahAnytime.com.
We're here at one of the most important makayimos of tefillah in the whole world. We're at Kever Rachel. So just to speak out very briefly, there's a concept that every place in Eretz Yisrael corresponds to another part of the Torah. So we know Kever Rachel is located in Beis, Lechem, Yehuda. What is the connection? What part of the Torah corresponds to Beis Lechem Yehuda? And let's try to get an understanding of why Rachel is specifically buried in Beis Lechem Yehuda. We know Rachel davens for Klal Yisrael, for her children, and the answer of HaKadosh Baruch Hu is Ne'um Hashem v'shavu banim l'gvulam. That Hashem says Klal Yisrael will return to Eretz Yisrael. If you take the Rashi Tevos Hashem v'shavu banim l'gvulam, it spells out Yovel. So Rav Moshe Wolfson suggests that the chelik of Torah that corresponds to Kever Rachel is the mitzvah of Yovel. Yovel corresponds to Beis Lechem Yehuda. In fact, the Rashi Tevos of Beis Lechem Yehuda are Yovel. Yehuda, Beis Lechem are Yovel. So the mitzvah of Yovel corresponds to Beis Lechem Yehuda. Incredibly, we know who was born in Beis Lechem Yehuda. Mashiach. Mashiach was born here in Beis Lechem Yehuda. Why? Because the job of Mashiach, the Rambam says, one of the signs of Mashiach is he's able to gather Klal Yisrael from all over the world. So therefore, Beis Lechem Yehuda, which is the makom of Yovel. The makom of Yovel. Yovel, what happens in Yovel? V'shavu ish la'achuz asay. Everybody's able to return to their ancestral land. That's the koyach of this makom. And therefore Mashiach, who's going to gather Klal Yisrael, is born specifically in Beis Lechem Yehuda. Also, what day is Mashiach born? On Shavuos, which is the 50th day, the day of Yovel. So this is the makom of Yovel and has the koyach, as Rebbeinu Shalom tells Rachel Imenu, Noam Hashem v'shavu banim l'gvulam Rashi Tevos Yovel. In fact, Naomi incredibly, says Reb Wolfson, is Rashi Tevos Mekabetz Nidche Amoy Yisrael. So this is the power of this particular makom. And what karban do we bring on Shavuos, which is the day of Yovel? The Beis Lechem. So this is the power of this makom, that through the tefillos of this makom and through Rachel Imenu, who's buried here, we hope her tefillah should be miskabel, and that is Ne'um Hashem v'shavu banim l'gvulam.
You've just experienced another Torah class brought to you by TorahAnytime.com.